Hello friends, welcome back to our channel, promo code and discount. This is yours Jageswar. If you are looking to save money whether on your next order or your next purchase or flight or ride, don't be worried, you are on the right page. In this video, I will show you how to get up to 35% off Shein coupon codes for your shopping. So watch the full video to unlock ultimate money saving secrets. But before that, if you are new here, don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to stay updated. First of all, you will need to open your preferred browser on your device, whether you are using a smartphone or a desktop. Go ahead and launch your preferred browser on your device. Let me open the Chrome browser here on my device. Once you are on the home page of your browser, there you will find a search bar at the top of your device. Go ahead and type Shein coupon codes and search for it. Once you click on the go button or enter button, with that you will find different links of different websites. You can see here is the list of different websites. You can head towards any one of these websites and from there you can find Shein coupon codes, and with that you can save on your ride. But among these websites, this one Coupon Flow is the iconic website where you will find amazing deals and offers which you are not going to find anywhere else. This Coupon Flow website is mostly known for its user-friendly interface, vast selection of retailers, and regularly updated offers. So go ahead and click on this link, and this will bring up a list of available coupon codes and deals for you. You can see here is the list of tons of offers including discount on specific orders like 20% off, 15% off, 30% off, 25% off, 10% off, 90% off, and so on. You can grab any one of these offers, and for that what you will need to do is you will need to just simply tap on the offer which you like the most, and once you tap on the offer, that will open the detail page of that offer. Let me tap on this offer that is 20% off, and with that you will find details of that offer. Here you can see this is the code for that offer, and you will need to just copy the code if the code is not expired. You can check the expiration date of the code under offer details. So go ahead and check the expiration date, and if it is not expired, then you can copy this code by clicking on the copy option. Once the code is copied, now you will need to click on this redeem option which is just below the code, and once you click on the redeem option, this will lead you to the official website of Shein. You can see now you are on the official website of Shein. Here first you will need to log in into your Shein account. Here first of all you will need to log in into your Shein account. You can see I have already logged in into Shein account, so it is showing like this. But first you will need to also log in into your Shein account. But if you don't have it, then go ahead and first create your Shein account and then log in into your Shein account. Once you are logged in into your Shein account, you will see this kind of page, and here you have to do your shopping and add the items to your cart. And finally, when you move to the checkout page, there at the checkout page you will find a section of the code where you will need to paste the code which you copied previously and apply that. With that, you will get discount applied to your total. So in this way you can save significant amount of money on your shopping. Now let's go back to the coupon flow page. Likewise, you can also try other offers which are available here, and you will need to use the same exact steps which we used previously. And with that, you will get discount applied to your total. But make sure that the code for that offer is not expired. If that is expired, then you are not going to get any discounts. Now let's head back to the home page of our browser. Here beside this coupon flow website, there is also another genuine website called Groupon. You can see here that you can also visit this website, and from there also you can save significant amount of money on your shopping through using Shein coupon codes. So friends, that's all about on how to get up to 35% off Shein coupon codes for your shopping. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Another most significantly, don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get notification of our every latest money saving tips and tricks at first. Nextly, if you have any questions or suggestions, drop them in comment. Thanks for watching, and until next time, have a happy saving.